Hello guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Jordan 6. So this one I got is from Foot Locker. This is a size 9. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So it came in by UPS maybe around a few days ago. So this color is like one of my favorite colors. This one is the red and the white. I mean, this is pretty cool. It's very nice on the side here. You got the straps here. It's pretty authentic. Looks, you think it is original. So I like this white here. It's kind of a cool white. This top here is kind of like a jeans material, and it has the red signature under the bottom there. It's pretty cool actually. I mean, it's really nice. I like this one. I mean, it's one of my favorite colors, so this one I'm definitely gonna go ahead and relace them. I'm not sure if I do like the length of the lace. I'm gonna definitely relace them. They came in with these protective things in them. I think these are to make the shoes very firm. Very nice also. I mean, these shoes are worth the wait. I must say it did take me around 2 weeks to get my delivery, but I mean it was worth the wait. It's very nice. I really like it. So guys, I'm gonna be going ahead and I'm gonna be taking some pictures with these of the pair of shoes on my feet, just for you to get a feel of what they look like. You know, when you're physically wearing them. They seem to be pretty comfy. They're very soft on the inside, so I'm gonna go right ahead and just try these on, and I'm just gonna show you some picture footage of what they actually looks like when you're actually wearing them. Thanks again guys for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel.